Okay, now I'm going to show you how to graph just using the intercepts if you know the intercepts. And remember, the intercepts, when you plot a point, that's touching the y-axis, right? Well, that point right there, I'm going to put that at the height of 1. If you're looking left to right on the x-axis, we stayed at the origin on the x-axis and we just went up 1. So notice the intercept on the y-axis. The x will always be 0. The y will be whatever height. Now, if you're looking for the x-intercept, say we put, I call that 4. Well, now we've got a height of 0, so the y now will be 0, and the x value will be whatever the x is. So that's why the x-intercept is whatever the x value is, the y is 0, the y-intercept, the x is 0. So to give you an example, this says the x-intercept is 2. And for whatever reason, I read that as -2. That's silly. We're going to plot the point right there. We went over 2, but we didn't go up or down on the height. And then the y-intercept, we went up 2, but we didn't go to the left or right. We stayed at the origin on the x-axis, and we just went up 2. And then you have those 2 points, and you can graph a line. Now, if you need to find the x and y intercepts and you don't know what they are, well, remember what we said in this last slide. Well, when you want to find the x-intercept, you set the y equal to 0. So that's what we could do here. We could say, well, I know that when the y is 0, we find the x, that will be the intercept, right? So 7 times x plus 8 times 0 is 16. Well, 8 times 0 is 0. So 7x is equal to 16. Then divide both sides by 7. So that's not going to be a pretty number because it's not an integer, but that would be, so that's a little bit more than 2. So if this is 2 right here, this is 3. A little bit more than 2 because 14 over 7 is 2. So maybe right about there would be the x-intercept. If we wanted to find the y-intercept, we set the x equal to 0. 7 times 0 is 0, so that can cancel. Divide both sides by 8. Y is equal to 2. So let me put that back up there. So there was the x-intercept at 16/7 0. And the y-intercept is 0, 2. All right, that's it for this.